Welcome everybody, I don't know, say your girl Kiji Vibe in the building. I'm there again with the next video. Remember to hit that subscription button. Remember to like, share, hit the notification bell so you can get the notification as soon as me drop the video. You don't know. So, I'm there today and me talk about this topic for the third time, you see me? Me talk about the whole thing centered around Ivan, you see me? And me tired of it. It a get annoying. Cause I can't understand this. Or nothing can come out of it. You see me? So Ivani, first video I do, I the one where them say Ivani they take Pretty's phone number, which is a dancer for Team Spice. She said she never do it. And because of that, she take Iwater Instagram. And nothing can come out of it. This is very serious. You know, right? And you can mess with the wrong person. And the wrong person hit chip and sort out what them fi sort out. People say it's simple if you get vile over hacking an Instagram page or something. But people put in them work to build them thing, and it you know right with people are hacking at them stuff. You know most hackers then do them thing undercover, but this one bold. And it don't look right. It's not right, man. And something need to be done. Anyway, this third now topic is Shana Chin. So Shana Chin said for her Instagram account hacked. She said she was basically there when the other person in her Instagram delete out the information them and she put in the back and them delete out it. You know? So yeah. And not only that. So after them hack her Instagram page, them request 60,000 Jamaican dollar in order for she get back her page. That is a criminal activity. That is a criminal activity. That's the one thing I have to say. Then she said her phone number is no longer hers, but it is under Ivani, right? And me keep on say somebody off in a Digicel where I work with this girl so them can take people phone number. Somebody off in a Digicel. Somebody there behind it. Where this girl I walk around and I take people phone number and I do them little crazy stuff there. I can't understand the reason. It just puzzling. It puzzles me. You see, I take people number and I don't know. People work hard for them things. People work hard for them things to build themselves on the social media. And for it to be just taken away from them by just the snap of a finger. It's not nice. And as me say, people are boldly doing it. People are boldly doing it. And it's messed up. And something need to be done for the person's account who are being hacked. They need to go and report it and say something. Because there's no possible way this girl can just take people number so by herself and hacking at people's stuff so by herself without any assistant. So there need to be an investigation. An investigation needs to be done with Digicel. Digicel need to do some backtracking and them need to sort out them business because there's somebody in there leaking information. Leaking people's information. You know how much business gets shaken up when they change people's number? You know how much money go down the drain when they do them stuff there? People build them platform and have to go start all over. How much time and energy is put into that? For some people, come on, man. This thing is not good. This thing is not right. And people them that are getting hacked, they need to do something about it. Me did a day I pick up for a girl and I say maybe somebody a try for something there. Blackmail her, frame her, you see me? And you know it look like some a foolishness me a chat. Come on, man. This is messed up, man. I don't tell me what I think about it. Because she hacked the girl page and take the girl number and you know look good. And if I know she's because last time with Pretty she said I know she. So Smiley did they do them things there? I need to stop it. You hear me I tell you? Stop it before it get more serious. Before people start get angry. You know people stay, you know? Jano, you messed up, man. Y'all need to stop this hacking thing. Cause you know what I'm to? Somebody, enough people out there can hack, you know. Somebody are going on something bigger and frame her. Going on something where they enough going on frame her. And if she ever decides say she go say no she, nobody's going to believe her because of what is taking place. Alright, and just listen what me say and I don't know. Anyway, I don't like that story here because it's annoying and I don't like them things there. You see me? Anyway, remember to hit that subscription button. Remember to like, share and comment. Yeah, I'm out of here.